Hello everyone! In this video, I'll be demonstrating the incredible power of ChatGPT in streamlining your workflow and increasing efficiency. You'll see how I use ChatGPT to bring a t-shirt design from concept to completion, but the possibilities are endless. With ChatGPT, you can create a wide range of products, not just t-shirts. I'll guide you step by step through the entire process and show you how to harness the full potential of this exciting tool. Don't miss this chance to revolutionize your work and make the most of this amazing technology. The first step in creating a successful t-shirt design is coming up with a concept that captures the essence of the holiday and appeals to your target audience. In this case, we're creating a Valentine's Day t-shirt that incorporates a play on words. Once you have a concept in mind, it's time to come up with a slogan for your t-shirt. This is where ChatGPT can help. Simply ask ChatGPT to generate a list of slogans that fit your concept. I asked, "Can you come up with a funny slogan for Valentine's Day t-shirt that incorporates a play on words?" Despite my grammatical slip-up, ChatGPT quickly came up with one result. I asked ChatGPT to keep the ideas flowing and provide me with a list of slogans to choose from. To my delight, ChatGPT delivered an excellent list of slogan options, leaving me with plenty of material to work with. Next, it's time to bring your concept to life with a visually appealing design. ChatGPT can assist by offering suggestions based on the selected slogan. I asked ChatGPT what graphic design you'd suggest creating for a t-shirt saying, "You're the icing on my cake and the sauce on my pizza." In this case, the ChatGPT suggested a heart-shaped pizza with a swirl of icing on top and drizzles of sauce around the edges, accompanied by playful text. A quick detour. Please don't judge ChatGPT based on what you're about to see. ChatGPT has no relation to the design that I created. I take full responsibility for it. As I am not a designer, I have trouble drawing something from scratch, so I use graphics from vector stock. In this case, I chose this graphic set and created this horrible design. Despite using this design solely for this video to create a step-by-step tutorial, I could have chosen something simpler that I could handle. In this case, I chose a too long slogan that I couldn't place nicely. Anyway, I'm sure you'll do much better with this part than I did, so let's return to ChatGPT and see how it can still help. Now that you have a design, it's time to write a compelling product description and title that will entice customers to buy your t-shirt. Ask ChatGPT for a description that accurately reflects your design and appeals to your target audience. Then ask ChatGPT for a title. I forgot to ask about the keywords for this t-shirt, but stay with me and you will see how to get keywords and much more. After I finished with the t-shirts, I said to ChatGPT that I recorded our chat and that I wanted to make a video that will show printed t-shirt sellers how ChatGPT can help them in every aspect when it comes to t-shirt design creation and publishing. I asked ChatGPT to write a how-to video script based on our chat, and it gave me the script. Then I asked for a short SEO-friendly description for this video and a list of optimized titles to choose from. And as expected, ChatGPT promptly provided me with everything I needed. Even the mighty ChatGPT needs a break sometimes, however, this could also be due to the fact that I recently subscribed to the ChatGPT Plus service. In this case, ChatGPT may not have wanted to continue the previous conversation, so I initiated a new one. I put ChatGPT to the test and asked for a list of keywords. I then challenged it further by requesting an expanded list of long-tail keywords, and as expected, ChatGPT delivered exactly what I wanted. And that's it. ChatGPT truly is an amazing tool that can revolutionize the way you work. With its ability to generate slogans, designs, descriptions, titles, and almost whatever you want, ChatGPT takes the heavy lifting out of the design process, allowing you to focus on the creative side. Try ChatGPT today and unleash the full potential of your creativity.